हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज हम एडवांस इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स यूनिट नंबर 3 में लेक्चर नंबर 22 ले रहे हैं। सो टॉपिक है प्रॉब्लम्स ऑन पोइजन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन। देन प्रॉब्लम ऑन पोइजन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, सबसे पहले फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम है द एवरेज नंबर ऑफ लोव्स ऑफ ब्रेड पुट ऑन ए सेफ इन ए बेकरी इन ए हाफ आवर पीरियड इज 12. Of interest is the number of loaves of bread put on the safe is 5 minutes. The time interval of interest is 5 minutes. What is the probability that the number of loaves selected randomly put on the safe in 5 minutes is 3. तो ये क्वेश्चन है इसमें कि नंबर ऑफ लोव्स ऑफ ब्रेड रखे हुए एक सेफ के अंदर बेकरी के, और हाफ आवर पीरियड्स में जो एवरेज नंबर है कितने 12. इंटरेस्ट इज द नंबर ऑफ लोव्स ऑफ ब्रेड जो सेफ लगे 5 मिनट्स है. द टाइम इंटरवल ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इज 5 मिनट ऑल्सो. व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी, उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगी. द नंबर ऑफ लोव्स सेलेक्टेड रैंडमली, यदि उनको रैंडमली सेलेक्टेड किया जाए पुट ऑन द सेफ इन 5 मिनट इज 3. तो जो प्रोबेबिलिटी होगी वो 3 होगी इन 5 मिनट. सॉल्यूशन let x equals to the number of loaves of bread put on the safe in 5 minutes. Suppose वो number of loaves in 5 minutes x है, तो safe में रखे हुए हैं. If the average number of loaves put on the safe in 30 minutes, half hour is 12. यदि average number of loaves जो safe में रखे गए 30 minutes में वो 12 है, then the average number of loaves put on the safe in 5 minutes is 2 loaves of breads. The probability question asks you to find Px equals to 3. Notation for the Poisson, P equals to Poisson probability distribution function, x equals to Pu. It is the mean. Read random variable x, then find the probability Pu. Read this x is a random variable with a Poisson distribution. The parameter is mu or lambda or mu or lambda. The mean for the interval of interest. Now the second question. Leha's answering machine receive about 6 telephone calls between 8 am to 10 am. What is the probability that Leha has received more than one call in the next 5 minutes? Solution. Let x equals to the number of calls Leha receives in 15 minutes. The interval of interest is 15 minutes or 1/4 hours. X equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 20. If Leah's received on the average 6 telephone calls in 2 hours and there are 8 15-minute interval in 2 hours, and the Leah receives mu equals to 0.75 for this problem. So x equals to p 0.75. Find px greater than 1 equals to 0.1734. Calculator computer. Press 1 and the press second resistor. Arrow down to Poisson CDNF. Press enter. Enter 0.751. Result is px greater than 1 equals to 0.1734. Note: the IT calculators are used lambda for the mean. The probability that the Leah receives more than one telephone calls in the next 15 minutes is about 0.1734. P as greater than 1 equals to 1 minus Poisson CDF 0.751. The graph of x equals to p 0.75 is given the x and y axis. On given x axis, x equals to 0, 1, 2, 3. Given the random variables and the y axis probability given, the scale is 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. The y axis contains the probability of x, the number of calls in 15 minutes. Now the example number 3. According to Wedin, an email management company, an email user gets an average 147 emails per day. Let x equals to the number of emails an email user receives per day. the discrete random variable x takes on the values x equals to 0, 1, 2, 3. That is, the random variables x has a Poisson distribution. So x equals p 147. The mean is 147 emails. What is the probability that an email user receives exactly 160 emails per day? Second question, what is the probability that an email users receive at most 160 emails per day? And third question, what is the standard deviation? First of all, they given right here, px less than 160 equals to Poisson's PDF 147 160 equals to 0.0180. Similarly, px less than equals to 160 equals to second for second. What is the probability that an email user receive at most 160 email per day? So it is px less than equals to 160 equals to Poisson CDF 147 160 equals to 0.8666. Number third is standard deviation. What is the standard deviation? So standard deviation sigma equals to under root mu, under root of 144, mu equals to sigma equals to 144 equals to 12.1244. So it is the standard deviation. Now the review. A Poisson probability distribution of a discrete random variable gives the probability of a number of events occurring in a fixed interval of time or space. If these events happen at known average rate and independently of the time since the last event, the Poisson distribution may be used to approximate the binomial if the probability of success is small, less than or equals to 0.05, and the number of tries is large, greater than or equals to 20. Formula review. X tends to p mu means the x has a Poisson probability distribution where x equals to number of occurrence in the interval of interest. X takes the values x equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 and mean mu is typically given. Now live examples are calls per hour at a call center. Call centers use the Poisson distribution to model the number of expected call per hour that they will receive, so they know how many call center reps to keep on staff. Suppose a given call center receives 10 calls per hour. We can use the Poisson distribution to find the probability that the call center receives 0, 1, 2, 3 calls in a given hour. So px equals to 0 calls, 0.00005. Px equals to 1 call, 0.00045. Px equals to 2 call, 0.00227. Px equals to 3 call, 0.00757, and so on. This gives call center managers an idea of how many calls they are likely to receive per hour and enables them to manage employee schedules based on the number of expected calls. Second example, number of arrival at a restaurant. Restaurant use the Poisson distribution to model the number of expected customers that will arrive at the restaurant per day. For example, suppose a given restaurant receives an average of 100 customers per day. We can use the Poisson distribution to find the probability that the restaurant receives more than a certain number of customers. Px greater than 110 customers means 0.14714. Second, Px greater than 120 customers 0.02267. Or Px greater than 130 customers, it means 0.00171, and so on. This gives the restaurant manager an idea of the likelihood that they will receive more than a certain number of customers in a given day. Finally, next example, number of website visitors per hour. Website hosting companies use the Poisson distribution to model the number of expected visitors per hour that website will receive. For example, suppose a given website receives an average of 20 visitors per hour. We can use the Poisson distribution to find the probability that the website receives more than a certain number of visitors in a given hour. So Px greater than 25 visitors 0.11218, Px greater than 30 visitors 0.01347, or Px greater than 35 visitors equals to 0.00080, and so on. This gives the hosting companies an idea of how much bandwidth to provide to different websites to ensure that they will be able to handle a certain number of visitors each hour. Similarly, number of bankruptcies filed per month. Bank uses the Poisson distribution to model the number of expected customer bankruptcies interruptees per month. Similarly, next example, number of network failures per week. They are also used the Poisson distribution. This one we get to find the different application of Poisson distribution in real life. A different example we have. So this way we completed the lecture. Problems on Poisson distribution. Thanks all of you.